Why does life seem to feel easy for some people? It's because they are living their design, whether they know it or not. Have you ever wondered why it seems that some people just flow through life while others push and force or burn out trying? Now, what if every frustration, every success, or every misalignment you've ever felt came down to one thing: the way that you are designed to thrive and interact with the world? Now, we all have an archetype. It's our main character energy, if you will. And once you understand your energetic role in the world, everything else begins to make sense. Hi, I'm Erica. Welcome to my Satori Synergy channel. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe and hang around. Welcome back. If you've been vibing with me, comment down below and let me know what your type is and how you're experiencing it. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 human design types in a way you've never heard before. My way. This way, you can finally begin to understand how you are meant to move through the world and why your energy works the way it does. You're not broken. Perhaps you may be misaligned with how you are designed to thrive. Knowing your human design is the cheat code you've been hoping to find. Let's get into it. Projectors are here for one sacred mission: to help the other types live their best life. That's it. That's literally the assignment. But here's the twist. Most projectors don't realize that. Because in the world that's built for doing and hustling and keeping up, projectors often spend years trying to run at generator speed. They try to be the engine when they're designed to be the director. And that is the real magic of a projector. They are the movie directors of humanity, seeing what others can't see, understanding energy patterns instinctively, and guiding people to express their brilliance with elegance and efficiency. You spend 5 minutes with a projector, you'll understand and feel their aura. It's focused, penetrating, like a spotlight scanning you, not to judge, but to see you, truly see you. And depending on your comfort level with intimacy, you may love that or you may run from it. Now, making up about 20% of the population, projectors are like the jewelers of the human design system, skilled at cutting and polishing and refining others so they can shine like the brightest diamond in the room. But here's the key. This ability requires discernment. Projectors must be picky and take responsibility for carefully choosing whose life they enter. Guiding the wrong people drains them fast because they're a non-sacral type and their energy isn't built for non-stop output. They need space, rest, recovery, stillness. Now, this is not about laziness. This is strategy. This is how their wisdom actually calibrates. And while everyone needs a projector in their life, access to their guidance is not automatic. Their aura, their insight, their leadership is by invitation only. So when you are ready for an upgrade and ready for them to come help you realign yourself or whatever you're working on, you are going to have to invite them with the VIP offer for them to RSVP to that exchanges your energy for their insights. When someone truly sees their gifts and offers that invitation, that's when their genius turns up all the way. For generators, the phrase "life is what you make it" isn't just an inspirational quote. It was written just for you. Generators are the alchemists of the world. You have a rare and powerful ability to literally build the life you want, one aligned step at a time. And your aura, ooh, it's magnetic. It draws opportunities and people and experiences into your field so that you can respond to, not chase, not force, just respond. This is why people love being in generator energy. It feels alive, it's creative, it's capable. Generators are the movers and the shakers, the steady force that builds society from the ground up. Here's the secret though. A generator only thrives when they follow what lights them up. Your strategy, which is your superpower, is to trust your gut response. Your body always knows. When life presents a new option, a new person, a new project, your sacral energy gives you an instant yes, no, or not now. Sounds like or There's no need to think it through. The response is already happening in you. And if you ever wondered the best way people should communicate with you, they should ask you closed-ended questions or give you choices to respond to. And when they do, don't try to mentally figure it out. Ask your body. It will tell you instantly if you have the energy for something or not. Now, generators make up roughly 35% of the population. And without you, the world simply wouldn't run. Generators don't just make things happen, they make things better. You are the life force that keeps the world humming and buzzing. And when you're satisfied, the entire planet feels it. Manifestors said what they said, period. And let's just be glad if they inform you ahead of time. Manifestors are here to be impactful with their creative urges and impulses. This is the only type whose internal wiring gives them direct access to initiation. Their throat center is powered by the heart, the solar plexus, or the root. This creates a superhuman confidence that allows them to speak things into existence. They aren't trying to make waves. They are the wave. Manifestors move fast. Now, unless they are emotional, but that's a whole other video. They move deliberately and they move without needing permission. So whatever you do, don't try to question or direct their energy the way you would a generator. If you tell a manifestor what to do, they will reject it on sight because energetically, they're not built to follow. They are built to begin things. Their aura is selective, exclusive, repelling even. Not because they don't like people, but because they require space. Space to channel their ideas, space to birth their visions, space to execute without interference. Now, if you interrupt a manifestor mid-creation, brace yourself. That intense energy that they were channeling outward can misfire and come through as anger. Not because they're angry people, but because it takes massive energetic force to shift from being in the midst of manifesting a new reality to have to downshift to merely speaking about it and try to explain it to you. That frequency drop requires fuel that they simply don't have an endless supply of. A confident manifestor will leave your head spinning. They move so quickly, they move quietly. And by the time you figure that out and figure out what they're up to, they've already launched the next thing. But here's their growth opportunity. If manifestors can let the people in their life and in their impact zone know what they intend to do, just give them a little heads up, then that reduces resistance that they may experience. It builds harmony instead. It makes their world infinitely smoother. The manifestors make up less than 10% of the population, yet they've shaped culture and politics, art, our collective imagination in profound ways. Manifestors do not follow trends. They ignite them. They are the spark that starts the movement, the force that clears the path, the voice that turns ideas into reality. The manifesting generator is where the assertive vision of a manifestor meets the powerhouse engine of a generator. The result, a type that floats like a butterfly and stings like a bee. And yes, it can be confusing to keep up with them. One moment, they're lightning fast, pivoting from one idea to the next. The next minute, they're fully immersed in a steady, satisfying creation, building something they love. Here's the key. While it is effective to ask them closed-ended questions, you can't tell them what to do, nor expect them to do it your specific way or on your schedule. The magic happens when they follow their own agenda at their own pace. When a manifesting generator builds from their own ideas and timeline, the results are extraordinary. Efficient, excellence, innovation, multitasking mastery, just pure flow. Now, after a full and productive day, manifesting generators thrive on rest and reflection. They recharge best with some alone time, winding down so they can wake up renewed with their tank full, ready to engage the world again. Manifesting generators make up about 35% of the population, and without them, innovation, adaptability, multidimensional creativity, that all was stalled. Manifesting generators are built to move fast, create big, and inspire everyone around them. They are the spark and the engine of life happening simultaneously, always in motion, always producing, always extraordinary. Sincere and rare. When a reflector says, I feel you, they actually mean it. Fully, deeply, completely. An aligned reflector is like a mirror to your soul. They sense your authenticity instantly. They can feel who you are, truly, beneath the surface. These beings are the true empaths of the human design system. Not because they're emotional, but because they are completely open. Their energy samples everything in their environment. The people, the places, the moods, the intentions. This is why environment is everything for a reflector. Their emotional and physical well-being depends on being in the right spaces with the right people at the right time. The wrong environment drains and disappoints them. The right one brings them alive with delight and surprise. Reflectors have a free spirit that is fluid, can change from moment to moment. Think of a chameleon and how it adapts and changes, reflecting the environment that it's in. Reflectors are the true moon child. Just like the moon, they wax and wane, cycling through clarity and discovery over the course of a lunar month. This is why their decision-making process for major moves is slow and on purpose. Waiting a full lunar cycle helps them to avoid disappointment and helps them to choose the people and the places that genuinely support them. Their aura is resistant, almost like a spiritual Teflon, offering protection while they are sampling the world. But after being around others, they need time to rest, to detox, to wash off everything they've absorbed so they can find themselves again. The greatest gift you can give a reflector: patience, space, respect. They feel everything and they remember kindness. Now, reflectors only make up less than 1% of the population, yet their insight is profound, penetrating, and often life-changing. Reflectors don't just see the world, they reflect it back to us with truth, compassion, and clarity. They are the lunar mirrors guiding us towards authenticity. Now, understanding your type is only the beginning. Your strategy, your authority, your gifts, challenges, your strengths. What is unique and elite about your energy? All of that is written into your human design. Now, if something in this video sparked curiosity or made you feel seen, you're invited to discover your own human design chart with me and explore what makes you one of one, and dive deeper into how you are designed to work, rest, love, create, lead, parent, and more. I'm a projector, so as you learned earlier in this video, my assignment is to help you understand your assignment and live your best life as your best self. So when your curiosity turns into readiness, your design is waiting for you to step into it. I'll see you over at satorisynergy.com. You can pull your free blueprint chart there and get started. Take care. Go be great.